Well, it might be a wet and rainy one here in Toronto's Liberty Village, but that's absolutely fine because over here at the ZoomerPlex, we've got our doors wide open. Come on in.
Cure for loneliness when you're not there, he's next in line. I got a cure for loneliness. Marilyn Monroe would be impressed. Big orange moon, late night saloon, let's put this hot rod to the test.
The live concert with the audience, I mean, I just thought it was so fantastic. What a way to spend an afternoon.
The open house gives visitors a rare chance to step inside the state-of-the-art multi-platform broadcast and production facility that creates television, radio, podcasts, digital media, and print publishing, with live demonstrations, studio tours, interactive experiences, and more.
Welcome, we're at the MZTV Museum of Television with the rarest TV in the world, the Lucite, the Phantom Teleceiver, and it was first shown at the New York World Fair in 1939.
Hi, this is Serena.
You are seeing me on the screen of the rarest TV in the world.
You rarely get to see the inside of like a radio station. So yeah, we thought it was a lot of fun and really cool to see just all the old technology.
We've had a lot of folks through the building today.
It's amazing because the weather is not conducive, but
Well, it's conducive to an indoor tour.
it's true.
For folks who have never seen the production and all the work that goes into making the radio that we all love so much, there's a lot to it. And, you know, the fact that you have 30 different programs and shows operating out of this building, there's something for everybody.
This is where the magic happens. And Owen here is a technical producer, and he controls this great big board.
I checked out the TVs, which was really cool. And we did the concert, and now I'm supposed to get my ice cream and go for a tour and another concert.
What'd you think of the concert?
I loved it. This young lady is spectacular.
Don't worry if you missed out on this weekend's open house. You can still plan a visit to the world's largest collection of vintage and rare televisions at mztv.com. Here at the ZoomerPlex in Toronto, I'm Darren Maharaj for Zoomer News.